Well, founded in 1917, Lions Club International is the world's largest service club organization with 1.4 million members in more than 200 countries and geographic areas. Well, the Lions Club is now beginning a rural city bus tour as part of its global outreach to assess community needs. And today we're joined live in our studio by Vice President of Lions Club International, Bob Corlew. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you so much, Abby.
All right, if you could, just tell us a little bit more about Lions Club International and the real impact that it has on rural communities.
Lions Club, of course, has as its heart the rural communities, the rural area. Lions is, as you mentioned, in 200 countries around the world, and we're in the large cities, but we're also in the small areas. And to be fair, Lions Club so often is the heart of the small community, the small town.
Absolutely. So what are some of the critical needs that you're seeing in the rural communities that need to be addressed?
Our major focus is with vision, helping those who have vision problems, eye issues. We also work with those who are blind. We work in the area of environment and trying to improve the environment. We also help with hunger and hunger relief. But a major part of our program is also youth involvement. And in our small communities, in our local communities, our work in baseball programs and soccer and other youth-related activities is paramount to the work that we do.
So on the schedule of the bus tour, are you encouraging people to come out and see you guys and tell us your issues?
Absolutely. We have plans to stop. We're going to be in 9 states in 9 days. And we're going to stop in a lot of small communities. And while there will be a large number of our Lions members who are there to greet us at every stop, we encourage others who want to come out to tell us about needs in the community, because Lions are always looking for new needs and new opportunities where we can serve in each local community.
Absolutely. Well, we certainly appreciate everything Lions Club International does in all of our rural communities. We do want to let everybody know there's more information at lionsclub.org, and we'll make sure that we have a lot more information about the tour on our website as well, rftv.com.
Thank you so much.
Bob Corlew, Vice President of Lions Club International.
Abby, thank you so much. We appreciate your time.
We certainly appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today right here on your Market Day Report. Have a good afternoon, and we'll see you back here tonight on your Rural Evening News.